At Traderade, we believe that trading is a journey best taken with good company. That's one reason we've built this inclusive and welcoming community of traders that have varied skill levels and backgrounds from all over the world. We believe that the community is the foundation, and it's something that we can build on top of to add more value and to help traders accelerate their journey. Whatever your skill level is, there's always an opportunity to learn, to improve, and to meet like-minded people that can help further your journey, especially if they have experience and insights to offer. So we focus here at Traderade on a combination of community, actionable ideas, cutting-edge trading tools, and the education that we feel helps to build that foundation for our members, our traders. So whether you're new to Traderade, you've been here for a while, or you're just trying to learn about what we do here, this video is for you. And we're starting off here on the introductions channel. This is a place where every new member is encouraged to view what all we have to offer. And we're going to walk through this, and we'll go through some of these channels to show you the examples of what we offer. So we have the Breakfast Bites channel. This is where Aisha offers her daily Breakfast Bites commentary. And this commentary is really helpful. It gives you an idea of what's happened overnight going into the market, the big picture, the market insights. She shares a whole lot of actionable and helpful information that you can use to accelerate your trading day. Because one thing that every trader should do to start their trading day is get a sense as to what am I getting into, what all's happened overnight, what do I need to pay attention to in the events calendar. She covers that for you every morning before trading days. So it's an incredibly useful part of our server. Then we have my channel, where I share market insights regularly, both on the big picture and what I see happening within the stock market in the US and other parts of the world and other asset classes like gold, oil, Bitcoin. And really, we try to, between Aisha and I, cover everything that we need to be aware of throughout the trading day, including nightly actionable pivot levels that I share for contracts like crude oil, or what I'm looking at in the S&P 500 with charts that you can download and use for your own trading process as well. And I go into depth creating comprehensive write-ups that can help you get a better sense as to why I'm making the thesis I am, what I'm looking at, and how those might be opportunities or risks to navigate. We also have an ideas channel where we share our trading ideas. The most recent one being First Solar. This is a swing trade that we've been talking about because it's starting to show some constructive momentum here. And I believe that it's got some room higher. So I set up the trade, how we manage risk, what our price target is, and really how to get into the trade. So I've talked about it in both shares and running a bullish vertical call spread. Right? And these are trade ideas that we share as they come up, and we try to provide the setup so that all our folks that are potentially acting on these ideas have to do is put in their orders and then manage their risk based on the setup. So let's go on to some of the other areas. We also share investing ideas. So Aisha had an investing idea in ELF recently, and she's been tracking that, which is really helpful for our members to get a sense as to what some of the longer term investment opportunities may exist out there. And then moving forward, we also have headlines. So if you're looking for real-time breaking news, we have all that information on the server in one channel. So if you're looking for the latest macro data, earnings prints, or other kinds of breaking news like geopolitical tensions building up, we have that data, we aggregate it, we put it into one source from the best feeds available out there so that you have one place you can look so you don't have to go all over the internet or look all over social media. You can just stay within the Discord, finding that information right there at your fingertips. And then for longer form articles, we also have our news channel, which takes information from the leading financial news sources and has links to articles with their summaries right here if you want to do some more longer form reading and research about what's going on around the world. Then we have chat rooms. Chat rooms for a variety of different subjects. We have a general chat room where folks are encouraged to talk about things that are off topic. We have a beginner's chat room where I'm regularly sharing resources and ideas and other ways to help improve the skill sets of traders. And this is really, even though it's called beginners, there's resources there that are for folks of all skill levels. And then we have our questions room, and we're very responsive. Myself and I share the admins. We also have a moderator team of Johnny Dankseed and Boog, both awesome, talented, generous individuals. We're always there to answer your questions and try to help you get the most out of Discord, but also learn more about the markets and the world around you. And then we have a room for bot queries where we have our bot, the one that I built called Gur. And Gur answers queries about S&P 500 options, about stocks, about other types of data that moves the market. So you get gamma profiles for single stocks, for ETFs, and for the S&P 500 index, for 0 DTE as applicable, as well as full chain and volume. So I'll just show you real quick how that works. Let's say I want to see what the 0 DTE charts are for the S&P 500. The S&P charts that come up are net gamma exposure, gross gamma exposure, and options volume. So right at your fingertips, you have some pretty powerful capabilities within this bot. And then it has a whole variety of other commands that you can use. And this is dynamic. That is to say, I'm always building, I'm always adding new features to the server. So you get a lot for your money, really, no matter what you're trading, options, stocks, futures, currency, there's something for everyone here. Then we also have our trading rooms. Our commentary room is a place for our community to exchange ideas, to discuss what they're seeing in the market, and also to goof off a little bit as we try not to get in trouble over trading the market. We'll share some memes and jokes back and forth. It's a really great place to just be able to exchange ideas with other traders, to share your views on what's going on in the market. Then we have a commodities channel where we specifically discuss what's going on in commodities markets, talking about trade ideas, setups, and commodity-related equities and otherwise. And then we have our stocks and options channel, which focuses on stocks, ETFs, ETNs, and options. We look at ideas for where there may be momentum, longer-term opportunities. The community is welcome and encouraged to share their own ideas, and we discuss back and forth. We also have forums on the server, and I'll just scroll down so you can see we've got forums for folks to share market preps. We've got a Thesis Thursday forum where we will routinely have events where we talk about longer term opportunities, both long and short in the market. And the forum channel there is to encourage folks to share their own ideas and also to request for us to look deeper at certain stocks. We have our trading journals where members are encouraged to hold themselves accountable, to share their trading journey with the rest of the server. It's a good way to track your progress as a trader and look back and see, what am I doing right? What am I doing wrong? How can I do better? We have our trading systems channel where traders are able to back and forth discuss what systems they're building, share notes, get ideas from other folks on the Discord. Our nerd chat channel for folks like me that are very nerdy and like to talk about tech and like to talk about software development and Linux and other kinds of cool stuff like that. And our water cooler with a variety of different forums for different interests, such as outdoor activities, food and beverage, financial memes, favorite trading music, and of course, the general chat channel and trading tech support, where the community comes together to help each other learn more about different charting platforms, different types of software, different brokers, and otherwise, because, you know, it's a full platform of people that are helping each other out. We have an amazing team, but we also have an amazing community. And then last but not least, we have two other areas that I want to highlight here. Trading bots with Johnny Dankseed generously added in here. These are bots that aggregate data from Traderade and elsewhere and help you to identify where there may be interesting activity in the market. We've got dark pool prints that show some of those activities. We've got large sweeps that show where there's, large amounts of volume coming into the options market with some degree of bullish or bearish bias, which is identified right on screen. We've also have our golden sweeps, which are the even larger sweeps that show up, sweeps of 1 million up. We've got flow data that comes in real time, breakouts, and bullseye alerts. And then Johnny also has a discussion channel where you can just ask questions, request features, and otherwise. And then we have our voice and video, where we have our events channel, where we host events that are educational, that are actionable, that help, such as, talking about Thesis Thursday and where we see long-term opportunities in the market. We also bring in guests and have seminars and sessions with them. And we have on screen a live stream of Bookmap on the NASDAQ. It's complete with the MBO data, so it shows icebergs, stops. It also has cumulative volume delta, the current order book, the session volume profile. This gives our members an easy, actionable, at-a-glance way to see what's going on in the market. And it is accompanied with commentary throughout the day, both in the commentary channel, and as there are market-moving events, we have live squawk, and our admins and mods will contribute their commentary as well. We also have regular events such as Thursday Morning Bell with me, Mayhem, at 9:30 a.m. I walk folks through the market, and that's through this trading chat room where I'm sharing my screen and discussing what I'm seeing and how that may be potentially actionable. Then we have the S&P 500 stream as well. This includes everything we talked about on the NASDAQ, as well as my SPX options visualizer. That's included in the Discord during US regular trading hours. So you can see those options flows in the S&P 500. For example, right now you can see the hot call is the most active call. That's an S&P 500 index call translated to ES levels, and the plus sign by it shows you it's the most active option on the chain right now. So that can be, and it is so far today, a bit magnetic. So again, on screen, actionable data that you can use right off the bat to try to take advantage of the current trading conditions as they're manifesting in front of you. And then finally, we have our signal stream, which includes live squawk from our partner Benzinga throughout the trading day, as well as two options feeds, one of unusual call activity, the other of unusual put activity, and then finally a 5-minute momentum scanner that can help to set up some of these near-term day trades that can be actionable in single stocks and ETFs. And then finally, we have our resources section where we have all kinds of educational resources about Bookmap, bonds, futures, investing, options, stocks, trading, to help our members have a fully rounded education in many different areas of the market. So with this quick video overview, you can see that joining Traderade allows you to become a member of an awesome community of welcoming people that has cutting-edge trading tools, actionable ideas, news and resources at your fingertips, and a focus on education. We're not just a shot calling service. We want you to become self-sufficient as a trader so that you come for the education, the ideas, but you stay for the community and the tools. So thank you so much for tuning in. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I'll catch you soon.